I mean, be give me one like cheat for me.
And that is a cheat pass.
No. No.
Baby.
No.
He say he can't take it, but he can't take it, but he can't take it.
What in the kitchen? Can't manage it.
He can't take it.
Tell a little girl them to twerk my way. She remind me of my kinda look a Tatiana mama. You remind me of my G.
Welcome guys to our first episode of Cheat Pass. Yeah man, we're gonna look for some people and say what them that think about of being giving them partner a cheap pass, and we're gonna search around. Yo, look on our fall. So come in. Hello. Hi. Excuse me. Yeah, so we're doing a vlog. I don't know if you're shy on camera, are you?
Not really.
No? So yeah, it's perfect person to ask. So we're doing a vlog called Cheat Pass, and we just want to know if a couple or a partner will give their significant one a cheap pass.
Okay, if I will give cheap pass?
For the day.
For the day? Yeah, I will. I think I will.
And why would you give that person that pass for the day?
Everybody cheats these days. They hide it, they do it sneakily, quietly. So you know what? Might as well, we're doing it and you don't speak about it, I don't speak about it. Little spice up our relationship,
But what if you know about it and you told him, okay, it's fine. Is that cool with you or is it not cool with you?
If you don't speak about it, you don't ask me questions, I don't ask you questions, then I'm fine with it.
Okay. So you want to go ahead and shout out your name, if it's okay with you, and what you do, and yeah.
My name is Sandra. I do promo. My promo name is Sasha's Promo. You can find me on Instagram. I also have cleaning company. It's called Sandra's Cleaning, and yeah, that's about it.
Okay, nice speaking to you, and I appreciate that. Thank you. The same to you. Excuse me, sir.
Wagwan.
Yeah, so we're doing a vlog called Cheat Pass.
Okay, yeah.
You know what I mean? So I'm gonna ask you a few questions, and I just want to know what's your opinion is, right? Yeah. So before we do that, can you just shout out your name on your Instagram, please, and what you do?
Yeah, my name is Keith. My dancer name is Keith the God. My Instagram is Keith, the letter D God, Keith D God. That's about it, man. I'm a dancer, you know what I mean?
Oh, for sure. Yeah, I'm a skanker too, I dance too, you know what I mean? So yeah, mad love, you know what I mean? So here what it is now. If you have the opportunity to give your girl one day to go cheat, would you do it?
Shit, it's just the context, bro. You know what I mean? Like, yo, if it was a celebrity crush, I can't hate on it, bro.
I like your answer.
You know what I mean? I'll catch my celebrity crush. Neil Long could catch this long any day, you know what I mean? So, if I get my pass, she gets hers, yo.
Okay,
you know what I mean? But cheating's wrong, guys, you know what I mean? It has to be consensual, yo.
I like your answer, you know what I mean? I appreciate the answer, you know what I mean? And just shout out what you do in Toronto here on your Instagram.
My name is Keith D. God, like I said. I teach dance to children and adults and whatnot. I also throw dance battles and events here in Toronto. So if you're ever interested in seeing that stuff, holler at me, you know what I mean? And if your girl wants to cheat, holler at me, you know what I'm saying? You know what I mean?
I respect that. Mad respect, brother. Thanks for the content.
Take care, guys, all right?
So, hey, what's up, bro? So we're doing a program called Cheat Pass for a day, and I just want to get your opinion if you will give your significant one a cheat pass for the day. But before we do that, just give you a shout out at your name and what you do on your Instagram.
I don't really have no Instagram or nothing like that, but
that's fine, bro.
Yeah, this is CJ.
All right.
West Side.
And would you give your partner a cheat pass for one day?
No, I don't think I would give my partner a cheat pass for one day.
And what would be that reason?
I don't think that would. I just don't think that would be good in a relationship. That wouldn't make the relationship stronger.
Fair. I like that. Blessing for that one, boss. Have a good one, eh? Right. All right, man. Respect, bro. All right.
Yes, we people, we're back again with our next special guest. Again, I'm going to shout out on Instagram who I'm doing at Toronto, Canada. And then we're going to ask him the famous question. Because you don't know, say, a cheat pass, right? Don't know my people. So, what's your name and what do you do? What brand? You can show off your Instagram and let the people know what you do. If you don't want to do it, you don't have to do it. Call it a day.
Yeah, so what's the question?
You don't want to do that.
No.
Alright, say that. You know what I mean? But quick question. Would you give your partner a cheat pass for 1 day, 24 hours, and you cannot ask them any question what they did that day?
Hell no.
Why?
No.
Why wouldn't you?
Because that's a suit of who I am. I wouldn't give her a cheat pass. I don't want her to give me one either.
You want to allow her to get her a cheat pass?
No.
You're not taking cheat
No,
pass?
no.
You're not taking cheat pass? People think me not taking cheat pass, you know? You're not taking cheat pass? Alright then, my brother, big up yourself, you know. Hey, can I ask you a question right after? Just follow you. Bless up yourself. Here, daddy. Quick question. What's up, man? Bless up yourself. What's your name and what's your Instagram and what you do in Canada?
Man, my name, Julian. Peace out, everything. Nice energy. And yeah, it's like my first week in Canada, almost.
Good. Okay, I'm asking you one question. Would you give your partner a cheat pass for 24 hours? They could do anything they want to do in their life, and you cannot ask them anything what they did for that day.
Nah, I mean, they can have it, but that's not gonna, I don't know, that's not gonna come with me. I'd say that. Like, she can do it, but nah, I'm too close for that.
So would you want her to give you a cheat pass?
I wouldn't. No, I wouldn't give her.
You're a special human, man. Big up yourself, my brother. Big up yourself. Cool, man. Hey, can I ask you guys a question? Quick question. Brother. Quick question. Just a one question. Make it think look so daddy. We are from the yard, bro. Come on now. Yo, well, people, and we're still out here. And we're in the mall. We're at Scarborough Town Center. We walking through, and yeah, we just trying to get a couple other people to see if they're down with a new show and see if they will allow their partner allow them to get a cheat pass for the day. Like me say, my people, it's a new show, 416-876 Jamaica, and we're doing the right thing and we're calling it a day, you know. So probably we're gonna get our next guest right now, see if we can ask a couple of people and see. Yeah, me some reggae music are going right, so probably we can ask this Virgin, some people. So right now we're the next guest on the show, and he's gonna shout out what he does in Canada or Toronto. And if you want to shout out his Instagram, you can shout out his Instagram, and we'll do it that way. And good. So father, you can shout out your name or Instagram if you don't want to call your name or nothing, but shout out the brand or anything.
Soft things is Benz. You won't really find me on social media, but yeah, Benz from Toronto.
And we only have one question for you. Would you give your partner a cheat pass, or if your partner give you a cheat pass, would you take it?
Oh, you're saying it's a cheat pass? No,
cheat pass for the day, 24 hours.
Not a chance, because that's going to compromise your peace. It's going to compromise your relationship. It's going to compromise everything, and then you'll be putting everything that you worked on in disrepute for the future. So you don't want to do that. You don't want to do that. You don't want to do that to yourself. Even though you want to allow them the space that they need to grow and for you to grow, you don't want to compromise your relationship in that way. So if your partner ever needed a cheat pass, walk away. That's it. That's the done of it.
So that's a code. You have any brand out there you don't want to shout out? Anybody that want to shout out? Because you don't know, Toronto, one family, one team, right?
Of course, Malamy is already in the construction industry, so that's what I suggest to everybody, to start your own business, start your own brand. Don't work for nobody else. Get into the trades. The trades is where it's at. And yes, do the right thing. And praise the Lord.
So you don't hear from him already, know people. Nah, go get no cheat pass, and him no want no cheat pass because it compromise the relationship. But we move on to the next person. Bless upon yourself. Soon come back. Hey, what's up, people? And right now we have a next female on the show. Right now, you already know it's cheat pass. All right, yeah. Give up your opportunity for 1 day to your boyfriend or your girlfriend for 1 day, and I'm gonna ask her right now if she would give your boyfriend a cheat pass for 1 day. You can't ask him nothing what him do, you know. But before that, you're gonna ask her name, what she do, and whatever business she wanna shout out, or Instagram and that. So what's your name and your Instagram?
My name is Amy, and my Instagram is VAmy.
And what do you do? Like, if you want to tell him, you don't have to tell him.
I'm in school.
and she's in school, my people. So check out again your Instagram again.
Be Amy.
VAME. Alright, my people, so go check her out on Instagram. And right now I'm gonna ask her one question. Would you give your boyfriend a cheat pass for 1 day for 24 hours? You cannot ask him any question what he did on that day.
Alright, if it's just for 1 day, I'll let him do it.
You know, let him do it?
Yeah, I'll let him do it, but only if I get to do it too. For one
Yeah, he has to give you a cheat pass for 1 day. It's vice versa, right? So that same 1 day you guys gonna do this, no one asks question. Would you be down?
I would be down.
Say that then, people. She'll be down. Say that then. You don't know what, so you go on a Scarborough thing. Bless of yourself. Thanks again, Amy. And
Thank
you
you.
can shout out your Instagram again.
It's V Amy.
Go look for V Amy, my people. She's in school. Yeah, my people, so again, you know, in the next 2 guests again on the show, and we're gonna ask them the same question right now. But first, before we do that, you know, my people, make sure you subscribe to the channel. That's our code 416-876 Jamaica. Cheat Pass channel will be out very, very soon by the Cheat Pass boss. Code, you see, JCMR wear. Big him up because they don't know I am doing thing. But right now, people, I'm gonna ask the gentlemen them right now if they would give them partner a cheat pass for the day. And them can ask no question and vice versa. So you get a cheat pass and she get a cheat pass. So she are gonna do whatever she want to do for 24 hours, and you are gonna do what you want to do for 24 hours. Call it a code. Would you allow that? But first, what your name or your Instagram or your business you want to shout out first?
I bet. My name is Kirk Remicky, owner and founder of Milk, making it look cool. My Instagram is @IamMilk. Look me up. My website is milklifestyle.com. Shop, follow, do your thing.
That's a code. Yo?
RKR. Don't worry about the IG. Don't need the followers.
That's a code. All right. Would you give your partner a cheat pass for 24 hours? Yes? No?
Nah, I ain't gonna lie. I wouldn't, because women cheat different.
So why wouldn't you? Why the breakdown?
Because like a man will just, cut and, fucking cut. A woman be sucking dick, doing all type of shit. So nah, I ain't doing that.
So that's a no for you. Say that then. What?
Yeah, nah, I'm not with this stuff.
Just flat blank, cut it out. None to follow it up.
Nah, nothing to follow it up. Just not with it.
You know what, her? She done. She a garbage. She a trash. Say that then. I respect you, my brother. Because you don't know. No. But again, me I go, yeah, man, you don't know Scarborough one thing, one team. You see it, people. I respect again. Say, my brother. I just ask you one question, right? But first, I just want to ask you, what your Instagram, if you have no business, or you want to shout out, or anybody who want to shout out?
Yeah, man, that is it, man. Big up to all of my people, them, Mother, loved one, everybody, you see it. One umbrella, man, you see it. Yeah, man, you don't know, we are detailer. We do everything for you living once in a wrong, you see it.
So you do detailing for cars and all this stuff?
Yeah, man, showroom style, presidential role, that is it, you see me?
You have a number you don't want to show to because people can come book you now. Yeah, look, again, you look at them where? Toronto, Scarborough?
Right across the GTA.
So right across the GTA, people, you can hit him up for your detailing service for your vehicle and stuff. He's going to give you the number right now and boom, boom, boom.
Yeah, man, that is it, man, believe. So the number is 437-533-7232. Yeah, man.
That's a code. So right now, people, we're going to ask him one question right now. One question me ask the daddy.
Yeah.
Would you give your partner a cheat pass for 1 day, or if she don't give a cheat pass to the 1 day? What do you think?
I mean, give me one like cheat for me.
And that is a cheat pass.
No. No.
Baby, he say he can't take it, but he can't take it, but he can't take it.
What in the kitchen? Can't manage it.
He can't take it, but my people, he can't take it, but. Yeah, well, people, we're still out, and we're still in the mall, and we're still trying to find some people, but some people just don't want to be on camera, but we have to have respectfully if they want to be on camera and stuff like that. You know what I mean? We can't just run up in our people's face and say, push on camera in them face and say, dark. That's disrespectful. So we don't do that thing. You understand? So, if you're a new subscriber over to the channel and you enjoy this type of content, we'll try to push out one video a week on the page for now, because we have some different content to put out again. Like, it's just like gonna be a content moment. So bless up everybody again. Find our next person just now.
Welcome to Cheat Pass. You don't know, it's the first episode, and you don't know my boy here. You know, he's gonna answer a few questions for us. You know what I mean? And first, we're gonna go with his name and his Instagram. Just let me know your name on Instagram, please.
Yo, it's Tiz Dog on Instagram, and my name's Tizzy.
And just give a brief info of what you do.
What I do, I just chill and play video games, hang out with my friends.
Okay. So we have a question for you, man. We want to know how am I going to answer it. So if you have one day to cheat or give your girl a cheat pass, would you do it?
Most likely, yeah.
And why would you?
Just have fun without her asking any questions.
Fair. Okay. Yeah, so as you say, you will give your girl that one cheap pass, so just for you to have that fun. Okay, fair with that. You just want to give a shout out for your Instagram again for me, please?
Shout out my Instagram, it's Tiz Dog. You already know.
All right, thanks again, Tiz, and respect. All right, bless.
So, yo, people, right now, that's gonna be the first episode in Scarborough Town Center. Alright? Cheat Pass. Yeah, man. So right now, I don't know, I'm gonna edit this in a video. But this is my first time I'm doing this type of content, and say, you know what? Get up, go get it, let's make it work, and we're gonna call it a day. You understand, my people? So, you don't know, so number one cheat boss that you know. See, man, my people, cheat boss, we call him right now, you know. But it will tell you his official Instagram.
Yeah, man, you don't know, we are push the channel called Cheat Boss. If would you give your partner one cheat day? You see me? Check out my Instagram at JCMRA. You know, we have a clothing line. Man, we are right now doing, you will see everything. Yeah, man, and big up Director J. Him at the mastermind of that one, yeah? Yeah, man, it's a good look. You see me? So, yeah, Cheat Pass. Man.
And that's a code in my people, so. One chop in my day outside. So right now, people, I head back to my car right now too, and we're gonna call it a day. And respect to everybody who like this type of content. I'm trying to put out a lot of different. Where did I park? Downstairs. We're trying to put out a lot of different content right now on the page. You're gonna see our next content dropping brand new that I didn't even know I was gonna do. You know what I mean? But Father God just say, yo, get up now. But do the contents them. You understand, my people? So respect to everybody again who like this type of content. 416-876 Jamaica, and this is the Cheat Pass series. You know what I mean?